Hey guys, welcome back to the daily trading challenge, right? Not every day is a good day. Today is not so good. Can be said, can be good, can be not so good, depending on how you see it. I'm overall positive, but my day trading was not positive. Why is that so? Let's jump right in and I'll show you. Okay guys, so we are at my screen right now, right? Today not so good, right? Took a trade on COP and took a $300 over dollar loss, and also traded on MCL crude oil and lost $200 over dollars also, and traded on Triple M and lost another $255. The good thing is that I traded the index on Nasdaq and make about close to $500 over dollars, right? So I would say roughly end the day trade about $200 to $300 in a loss, right? Just for today. But I closed almost all my options trade, and instead of losing $200 over dollars, right, I realized a profit of about after overcoming the $200 over dollars of day trading loss, right, I still, after closing the options, I still make a profit of roughly close to $500, as you can see, realized profit over here. But if you see the daily minus 475, that is because my options trade were deep in the profit, right? Okay, today it went against my profits, right? It eat into my profits. So instead of making like 1,100, it reduced to like maybe 700 or 600, right? But even though I closed most of them, right, it overcome my day trading losses, and realized profit is still around 500, still pretty good, right? Okay, but day trading today not so good, losing about $200 over dollars, right, which is okay, right, in the sense that on a bad day, right, not every day is a good day, right? We all have to realize that not every day can be a Sunday, right? Okay, so today is just one of those days, but I would say being able to limit my losses, keeping my losses small, so that on a good day, like the previous videos that you see, on a good day I make so much more, right? Okay, so overall not too good for day trading, overall losing about $200 over dollars, right, maybe even $300, but closing my options trade with profits, right, overcame the day trading losses and still make an overall profit of 500, right? I'll take that, right, even on a bad day for me, right? Okay, and that is mainly because the index is being sold off over here, and after it's being sold off, right, after market open, it was pretty hard for me to trade it, right? Okay, but of course I traded the index and was spot on to make the losses small, right? Okay, so I would just want to show you some of these trades, right? Even though my buy list is over here, right, not everyone that I traded, like the bottom four, I didn't trade. In fact, if I traded KDP to buy up, it was actually good since market open, right? I didn't trade that, right? This is one of those days I choose the stocks to trade and it didn't do well, and those stocks that I didn't choose to trade actually do well, right? Okay, so and Zillow is one of the trades over here. There was a trigger for us to trade up, and I didn't take it as well, right? This would have been quite a decent profit, right? Quite a decent profit, which could easily make my day trading today overall profitable, but I didn't take it, right? Okay, SQ, roughly not much movement, right? Up a little bit, down a little bit. Wouldn't have profited much from SQ, right? CAT and market open went up a little bit, then after that came down, so most likely wouldn't have traded it also, right? triple M like what you see just now, I traded it, right? Okay. In fact, I traded it when it was somewhere here around at midnight, right? But after that, it went down to hit my stop loss, right? The risk to reward was good, but it just didn't go up and it continued to go down, right? Like I say, this was just one of those days, right? That's why having a trading plan, a solid trading plan, having a risk management is so important. Making sure like if you lose a small amount, right? Okay. So COP is also one of those trades that I traded up and it went down to hit my stop loss as well, right? Okay. So these are the 2-day stock trades that I did, right? One thing I did the Nasdaq, right? When it was going up, I actually traded it up, so it was pretty decent profit, right? And after that, after I took profit, maybe 20 minutes later, I could have sold it down and make some profits as well, right? But I didn't, right? I decided to just close some of my options trade. And if you're wondering why I closed my options trade, because I see something weird from the markets happening, right? By right, the market should be going up, right? But it's still, you look at Nasdaq on the daily chart, right? Or even Dow Jones on the daily chart, or even S&P on the daily chart, right? It seems like it should be going up, but it's not going up, right? It's still hovering sideways and maybe even coming down back a bit, right? So maybe, just maybe, right, in the short term, market could be having some selling pressure, right? And you watch this, maybe you can take caution and do some profit taking as well, right? Okay, I did mine for my options, right? Okay, looking for a better timing and pricing to get in again, right? Okay, and I hope this video actually helps you a lot, right? And by the way, I actually run a free online workshop where I share with you the strategies I use for day trading, swing trading, or even using it for my option selection, right? Okay, so that's all from me. I hope you benefit from this video, and I'll see you in my next video.